This is the major mess that we have to clean up today. That is how you reuse our gift box, guys. There are flowers and there are also board games. डब्बे पे डब्बे निकल रहे हैं.
Now we are on to bubble wrapping more things.
कितने करना चाहिए फ्रिज में?
This is going to be a task though.
Hi guys, welcome back to Impulse Coffee's official YouTube channel. I'm Moksha Shah, the head of content.
And I'm Bonaita, the social media manager, and welcome to our decluttering vlog. So we are moving. We are officially getting a new office. If you all don't know, Impulse Coffees is a gourmet flavored instant coffee brand, and we make a lot of content around coffee, but in our office we have a lot of things which are not just coffee centric.
Since coffee is like a lifestyle product, our shoots and our videos, everything is lifestyle centric. So we have so many products other than coffee which we're going to show you all today in this vlog. As of now that we've decided we want to take limited things to the new office and keep all the things that we don't need or are in a bad condition over here only. So we're gonna make boxes and show you all how we're decluttering.
So if this is something that interests you, continue watching.
So this is our current coffee situation. We have boxes here which have the coffee machines and the coffee jars and then shot glasses that we regularly use. The saman is up. This is a mess which we're gonna clean today. And we have coffee jars that we regularly use over here. So these are the drawers which have the majority of our crockery. So this is where we keep our spoons and forks and straws and all of that. It's just the cutlery drawer. This is where we have majority of our glasses. We need to sort these glasses out also. This is the next drawer that has a few cups and spices which we use on a regular basis. This drawer again has some glasses that we use for shoots. So this drawer has all of the sippers and jars that we use to have water and all of that. And this also has empty impulse bottles and jars. You all are definitely gonna get shocked after seeing this room, so let's see it. This is the major mess that we have to clean up today, and we'll do it, hopefully. These are the boxes that have our apparel pieces and coffee jars that sell out from here. So we need to segregate that also. So let's do it. So this is the backdrop that you see in all of our videos and have seen. Abhi change ho jayega wo. The first drawer has all of the wires, cameras, lights, mics, all of that we use on a daily basis. We'll have to check what wire is working, what is not working, and then declutter accordingly. Second drawer has all of the papers and stickers and cloths and posters and diaries, all of these things. It's basically a miscellaneous drawer. This is the third drawer which has a few of our apparel pieces and backdrop. This is the last drawer which has all of the tripods and wires for the lights and ring light or tripod. So this is very essential. The first drawer has some documents, so we're gonna skip that and come to the second one, which has all of the backdrops and chart papers that you see for our reels and tapes and all of the stationery items basically is in this drawer. The third drawer has all of our props. There are flowers and there are also board games which you don't play, but hey. The last drawer also has some apparel pieces and impulse bags, which clearly means there's a lot to declutter. Also, we have our backdrops over here. This we don't need to declutter because this is something we use on a regular basis. So, apart from that, let's start the decluttering. These are all the jars and mugs and glasses and sippers that we've removed, and now we'll segregate these into what we need to take and what we don't need to take. These cupboards have a few more props which are like coffee beans and popsicle sticks, and upper again we have popsicle sticks and all the sippers that are needed on a regular day-to-day basis. This cupboard has all our gift boxes and another taping things, packing things are all kept here. Here are a few more props. This drawer again has some machines. We have kettles, we have coffee machine, we have a mixer grinder. So we need to declutter all of this. So we have gathered all the crockery here, and we have two boxes. One is to keep and one is to trash. So we're going to begin with that. This is the box that we are keeping. All of this will be bubble wrapped now. This is the box that has everything we need to discard. We're removing all of the upper ka saman and keeping it over here so that we can decide on later what we need and what we don't. It's time for round 2. This is all of the things we have except crockery and coffee.
A little later.
So basically this room is mostly used by the operations team. It includes a lot of inventory. It has the coffee jars, the gift boxes, the apparel pieces. Sometimes we send orders from the studio if it's not available at the warehouse. There might be a lot of half empty boxes here that we are gonna check and declutter.
This is our current packing situation. डब्बे पे डब्बे निकल रहे हैं from this cupboard also, and we had no idea that we have so much of stock left still.
A few minutes later.
So the update is we've managed to declutter this room quite a bit. We emptied the cupboards and we segregated the bottles on terms of their quantity and manufacturing. We are left only with lots of empty boxes which we will probably discard right before we have to move out.
Satyam is helping us bubble wrap all of this. This is what is the current situation.
A few hours later.
So we are back after a quick lunch break and we're starting to do these drawers. This is how the drawer looks like right now from inside. What we are planning to do is segregate the cables and the lights and the mics and do those.
This is going to be a task though,
Yes.
because there's a lot of cables and we don't actually know.
So we'll actually have to check each wire ki kya chal raha hai, kya nahi chal raha hai, because what's not working, there's no point in taking that.
Yes.
So let's do this. We have managed to put all the wires, the tripods and the mics in pouches. Like these have the cables, this have the adapters. It makes it easier, and now all of this we're going to empty in the cardboard box.
Now we are done with the first drawer. Now we are moving on to the second one.
This is what the third drawer situation is. We will have to deep clean this up.
So now we have moved on to the other side of the drawers, and this drawer contains all our chart papers and basically all tapes and stationery stuff, and this is going to be a task to sort out because we have a lot of things. Clearly there are so many things that we don't require, so let's start with this drawer now.
With update, guys. We are now on to the second last drawer, which I'll show you in a second. But over here, Sneha folding all the chart papers into place. Good job, Sneha. This is the situation of the next drawer. This is surely going to be a task, so let's do it. Since Payal's not in office, Bonita has to say something to Payal. What?
There's so much कचरा for ops team also. पूरा drawer भर के कचरा है. ये लोग बोलते हैं कि social media team का कचरा है, but no. Ops team has so many things and they don't know only कि क्या है.
What do you have to say about this? Quick update, guys. Bonita has found these stickers which have fragile. So when these people pack na, they put this. So कुछ होता नहीं है. And just when Bonita found this girl, Sneha, what were you saying?
You're trying to find me.
When?
2 months ago.
This saying 2 months ago they were finding it. इसलिए इतना पसारा नहीं करना होता है, ठीक है?
तुम organize रखो. हमारा पसारा is still organized पसारा.
We are finally done with these drawers also, but you will have to see the mess around.
There's a lot of mess. देखो. You all should see this.
This is one mess. These are the 2 boxes we filled. The whole what is
Living room is a mess.
this is what Satyam has packed for us. These are items we are not sure about, and these are packed items. Okay, so these people have come and they want us to empty the fridge, so we're going to do that. The fridge is fully empty now. This is thoda wo stuck wala part, but other than that it's fully empty. There's nothing in it. This is the whole 6 feet na 7 feet 6 feet banner that hot chocolate, yeah,
For the April Fools, if you all remember.
but now we are going to say, yeah, so we're going to say goodbye to this and trash this also. All of that also needs to be put in one box. Where is this ops
Ops
team?
team is least interested in packing.
She's sitting there. She's working, but yet the fridge is going.
What are you doing?
Bye bye.
कितने घर ना चाहिए फ्रिज
We are trashing all the food items that are expired.
पहुंचेगा लगा देना.
Happens. This is during kacha aam ka thing. The fridge is moving, so we're packing everything, every ingredient, everything that was in the fridge in a suitcase, taking it to that house and then unloading it. So the full ghar ka shakal has changed because things have moved. Like the fridge is not here anymore. There's no fridge. Then there's all pasara over here, everywhere. And अंदर के रूम से also things have moved out. And now what are we doing, Bonita?
Now we are on to bubble wrapping more things because our life is just in bubble wrap right now. सब जगह बस bubble wrap ही पड़ा है. So now we are just trying to pack as many things possible and put it in bigger boxes.
Let's do this now. We're on ourselves. Operations team will have to help us.
Bubble wrap is over.
क्या बहाने हैं ये? Okay, bye. This is bedroom 1 situation, almost the same as we left it. We have come here to get one खाली डब्बा so we can put things into it. I guess ऊपर से लेना पड़ेगा. But how will you sit and make one डब्बा? Or else gather the stuff in the hall only at one place. हाँ, but उसको tape करना पड़ेगा Bonita.
सत्य.
Exactly. And the bedroom number 2 ka halat is this. Things have clearly moved out. There's so much space now over here also. Even though we don't need space, but there is space. We are now decluttering the coasters. Matlab we're removing the coasters we don't need and only going to take the coasters we need. This is our box full of posters. Let's do this.
A few minutes later.
Coaster dabba is done. Now Sneha there is emptying the cupboard, so we'll help her.
हमारे पुराने गिफ्ट बॉक्स में filled with steel straws.
That is how you reuse our gift box, guys.
No wonder why we couldn't find the steel straws and we wanted to.
But Satyam has smartness. देखा reuse किया उसने.
मिला इतना अच्छा reuse किया कि हमें मिलेगा ही नहीं.
We are now going to segregate these coffee jars and decide what we want to keep and what we want to trash. So let's do that. This is usable. This is usable. Kacham keep. We are combining the two same flavored coffees into one. Minimize. Ending this vlog on a very messy note. Everything is not still packed, but we've segregated everything, what we want to take, what we don't want to take. So we've made boxes and we've kept everything in the boxes, and we just have to move the saman from our old office to a new office, and there will be a moving vlog for that, so stay tuned for that.
Also, don't forget to shop our coffees on www.impulsecoffees.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!